Hi there, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be drawing Disc Diva from Stumble Guys. Thanks for the suggestion. Hope you guys can join me and have some fun. Let's draw it. Let's start Disc Diva with the main part of the body. Reminds me of a CD player. So I'm going to bring a line down like this. And it's going to be a rounded rectangular shape like so. And bring it up and around to there. Now she's got her eyes. Let's draw her eyes on. One eye with the eyelash, two eyes like so. Then she's got some other little mouth like this, and then some patterns through here. One on that side, pretty similar pattern on the other side. I remember the old Walkmans, CD Walkmans. Pretty cool. In the middle of here we've got a circle and a line that comes in and around, and then this is a circular shape here. Draw a circle around like so, and then there's another circle around that. So another circle coming around like this. Keep bringing it around, then a little piece coming off here. Then we have like a pause or play button. A couple of little circles here, 1, 2. So this is the main disc part. Then we have another little button just off to the side here, like so. Now let's draw Disc Diva's headphones. So here we see a little bit of this side, so it comes around like this, with the bit that comes out like so, up to about there. And then this will come up and around over to this side, but I'm just going to draw this one, so try and keep that the same sort of height, but you see the inner side there, and it curves around like so. Now you see this part, the edge bit, and there's a little extendable bit here, like that. That'll be the front edge of that one. Now this comes up and around, and you can sort of see the inside, so it's a pretty tricky. So we're going to start with one line coming up and around, and that hits that edge there. Then we're going to have, you see a little bit of the underside of this comes around, and you see the inner side there. Then you see the front edge of this one. Try and keep this all the same thickness if you can, down to around like that. Now we'll put a little musical note here. You can make that bigger. Now she's got feet, 2 hands and 2 feet. So let's draw the hand on. Simple shape like that. Stumble Guy's hand with the finger up like that, and then has this little different coloured pattern there and there. Similar sort of thing over here, so just over this side. But this time the thumb is sort of in the glove or the hand like so. See a little bit of that spit and more of this one coming over like that. Now we've got this shoe, like normally looking straight at it, so in line with the edge of here. Just underneath here we're going to start with a shape like that. That's the tongue of the shoe with a little piece like so. Then we have another little shape like that, and the side of the shoe, the front of the shoe, and the sole. There's the front one. This one is more side on, so it comes pretty much straight down, out and around and back up into the tongue of the shoe like so. Where you see this bit, then you see this piece around there, and then this is the sole. The shoe comes around and then it comes up on the side like that. Then we have this lower bit of the sole. It's a bit that comes up on the side there, and then you see the top of the shoe. There's the top of the shoe like that. And we've just got a couple of lines there to match that side. It's going to give her a thicker outline.